You know what time it is. Beast mode. Beast mode. Beast mode. Beast mode. Beast mode. Beast mode. All right, homies and homettes. Decided to go ahead and go to Frisco. They recently just opened up an absolute recomp in Frisco. Been hearing great things about it. Let's go ahead and check it out. Before we get this workout in, gonna take some pump and grind pre-workout. You already know. TigerFitness.com.
What's going on, Lawrence? Chris Jones, man, we in the building. Absolute recall. Man, we here to get that guap, brother. I appreciate that.
Thanks for the love. You wanted to got some love. Shout out to Lawrence, man.
Yeah, Lawrence Howard, man. Come from Colorado. God bless y'all, man. God first. Keep moving.
Absolutely. God bless, brother. All right, fam. Resident brother right here named Rashad. Down 120 grams?
Yes, sir.
Come on, say hi, brother.
What's up, people? Staying in here grinding day by day, shit making it happen.
Absolutely, man.
Yes, sir.
Always a pleasure to run to the supporters, fam. Bam. Appreciate you, Sir Rashad. All right, homies and homies. Look how rad it is, too.
Let's go. Let's go.
So, like I just said, they just recently opened this place. Now, when I trained with Wheel, that was Louisville, right? This is the Frisco location. Be looking out for a video here real soon. All right, homies and homettes. So, if you peep this video, you'll notice this gym has a lot of equipment. So what we did was walked around and tested some of them out. You know, played around with a few of them. If exercise equipment reviews is something y'all are interested in, let me know, because I believe a lot of these machines, you're gonna start seeing them pop up around, you know? So after we played around with some of the machines, we decided to go ahead and start off with some pull downs using this machine by M Torture. As you see, it's on the screen right there, M Torture. And let me tell you, I like this lat pull down. Look at the details. Notice how the elbows stay directly at the side of the body, helping you stay within that frontal plane. This is really good for helping you open up those shoulder blades, fam. Okay? Went ahead and loaded this thing up. Got me a great pump, even threw in some isometric holds. This angle right here, like I said, helping you stay in that frontal plane, perfect for doing some isometric holds. Okay, be looking out for some new tips in the future. So you see right there how I'm showing my fingers? I'm letting you know, fam, you know, I imagine the fingers as hooks, like a lot of the golden era bodybuilders used to do. Imagine those fingers as hooks when I pull down. Right here, I'm doing an isometric hold. This is gonna help get the central nervous system fired up. A nice isometric hold, 10 to 20 seconds, get the brain and body fired up. Then I do my reps. I noticed that helps me connect with the lats even more. Now, some people are gonna say, doesn't that really fire the biceps up? Yes. When you pull down like that, you're putting the elbows in elbow flexion and you will hit the biceps to some degree. However, there's something called mind-muscle connection. When you really connect with the mind and muscle as one, you're not gonna feel it in the biceps as much. And there's an area in the back called the teres major. I'll put it on the screen. That's also called the lats little helper. If you can really connect with that mentally, you won't feel it in your biceps as much. So here we are doing some rows for the upper back. On this day, this is not a back day. This is a pull day. So it's gonna be back in biceps. So on this pull day, I pretty much made upper back the priority. Now, if it was a full-blown back day, I would have thrown in some more back exercises. However, since it's a pull day back in biceps, did some back movements in biceps. So I just pretty much focused on upper back. This right here is gonna be the last back motion and the last rowing motion. As you saw, we did the unilateral rows for upper back, and now we're doing bilateral rows, meaning both arms at the same time. And if you really rewind this video, I kind of showed you how I set up. Bent over movements like this right here, I like to really pay attention to my setup. I notice if you pay attention to your setup before you start rowing, you'll feel it in your back more. All right, so here we are doing some biceps. We're doing 3 bicep movements. Started off with some seated cable rows right here. Really taking our time, milking each rep. Also, if you're looking for a push-pull legs program, as you see, this is a pull workout. I have a great program on my website at beastmode316.com. All right, and I do online coaching. Speaking of my online clients, I'm gonna start having clients coming in town. I wanna introduce y'all to some of them. I even got some ladies I want y'all to meet, so y'all be looking out for that. Y'all already know, beastmode316.com for online coaching. Thank you guys for your support. Stay tuned for the end of the video because I went out and had a post-workout meal. Cause you know shit just got real. All right, shout outs to the homie Spoon. He's gonna be at the end of this video as well, okay? Much love.
Motherfucker, the legend himself. Yo, it's always a pleasure seeing you, big dog. All the fun seeing you. There you go. Indeed, man. Y'all follow Beast Mode because all the knowledge he give, and look at, he still look good.
Try to keep it together. Try to keep it together.
The dude still look good. He ain't gonna never look bad. He ain't gonna never look bad.
It's a lifestyle.
For real, dude, I've been following him for so long. I literally remember when he first started posting, I was there for him. And I'm still there for him. Every time I see him, I'm still like a deer in headlights.
Tell them they can find you real quick.
Say it again?
Tell them they can find you.
Oh, Instagram Spoon the Meathead. I know the name crazy, don't worry about that. But Spoon the Meathead, I think, what's YouTube? I think YouTube the same thing, Spoon the Meathead. And TikTok, everything the same, Spoon the Meathead.
And one more question.
Yes, sir.
Pro debut, when your pro debut? He just wanted pro card recently.
I might do the end of this year or the beginning of next year, like around 2027, because we want to compete in that 212 range.
Yeah.
Keon, I'm coming.
Keon been looking out.
I'm coming, so.
All right, the beast is hungry. We got an hour drive back home, so get some food. All right, post-workout meal time. Right, fam, as you see, I got the New York strip, 14 ounce, okay? Big boy steak, plain baked potato. Showing your meal over there. A little chicken breast, potatoes, and veggies, fam. As always, it's a pleasure hanging with y'all. If you ever see me out and about, feel free to say hi, man. I love the love. Don't forget to like my shit. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy. We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.